Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the same Samsung account on both devices, and make sure the Samsung Notes app is installed on your laptop. Once signed in, enable sync inside Samsung Notes settings so changes mirror across devices. Connect your phone to the laptop via Wi-Fi network or USB cable and grant any permission prompts for file access. Do this now so syncing can begin. It prevents duplicate notes and speeds up the next steps. Once sync is active, import existing notes by choosing Import and selecting Samsung Cloud or device storage. This retrieves handwriting, images, and voice memos. Make sure to organize with folders and use tags for quick retrieval. Use search to locate text, images, or audio by keywords. When editing, use your laptop keyboard for fast typing, or use a stylus if supported for handwriting. Apply formatting from the toolbar so notes stay consistent. After edits, confirm save and wait for cloud sync to finish before switching devices. To finish, confirm the sync status in Samsung Notes settings. If notes don't appear on the laptop, force a sync and wait. Export important notes as PDF or TXT for backups or to edit with other apps, and store a local copy so you're safe. If things go wrong, sign out of your Samsung account and sign back in, check your network connection, update the app, or clear the app cache. This usually resolves sync errors. Keep a backup copy until sync reliability is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.